Hi guys, so we'll begin by taking a mixing bowl. I'm adding in some all-purpose flour, few chili flakes. You'll get ready-made from the store itself. Dry parsley leaves, you can add fresh parsley leaf as well, and pizza mix, some sugar, salt, and black pepper powder. I'll combine all of the dry ingredients well together. I'm adding in some garlic paste and milk and melted butter. You can substitute with oil as well or even ghee. Now get all the dough together. If you feel the dough is too dry, you can add in a bit of milk. So add milk gradually till you get a dough kind of consistency. There's no particular measurement for that. You need to press and knead it like this. Get rough with the dough. Just keep on, kneading it very well until it becomes soft. About 5 minutes. So you can see that the dough is soft when you do it like this. Now tuck the dough into a cap-like structure there and seal it at the base like this. Place the dough in the vessel, pour in some oil and just coat the oil evenly on the dough. Okay, cover this and we'll rest it for about 15 minutes. Now I've taken in a little bit of butter. To that I'm adding in garlic paste, black pepper powder, dry parsley leaf, again substitute with fresh coriander leaves, chili flakes. You can add in red chili powder as well. Pizza mix, it's really good, just invest it from the store. Sugar and salt. Combine all of this well together and we'll keep this aside. Instead of butter, you can just add oil or ghee. Now I've finely chopped in few vegetables like green capsicum, onions and tomatoes. I'm putting all of them together in the bowl. Now I'll add in this mixed paste. Combine all the veggies well with the paste. And keep this aside. You can see how well they are coated with all the ingredients. Now the dough that has been resting for 15 minutes, roll it well in between your palms and to form a perfect ball and then press it like this. You're not supposed to knead the dough. And form a cup-like shape, how the pizza looks. The borders are a bit of thick and the center is flat. So try to make that you will get only by doing with your fingers like this, not with the rolling pin. Okay. Keep doing this until you get that desired shape. After that's done, I'm adding in some ready-made tomato ketchup. You can prepare the tomato sauce at home, but it's easy this way. Spread it evenly across the dough like this. Don't add it too much, otherwise it will be too tart. Now I'm adding in the, coated veggies all over the base like this. And lastly, I'm going to pat all of them just so that they are, well on the dough, and sprinkle in some pizza mix at the top. So this will go into the oven, preheated oven, and 200 degrees for 15 minutes. So this is very healthy, and especially it's homemade. It doesn't have any nasty ingredients, no cheese, no yeast, no baking soda, no baking powder, just your maida and butter is the only thing that you can think unhealthy. Otherwise, just see, without adding yeast or baking soda, baking powder, how soft the dough is. It's super tasty, it is healthy. Okay, that's what I said. You can substitute wheat flour with rather than maida, and oil instead of butter. So guys, try out this recipe, like, share, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other videos. Until then, take care guys, bye bye, and let me know if you want such healthy recipes to substitute which are equally tasty as store-bought ones. Bye bye.